Hello everyone, Etisar, calm. Everything I'm going to explain today comes from recommendations shared by technicians at this appliance repair shop with extensive experience. So relax, we're going to solve this issue. 3 days ago, someone came in saying, "I'm traveling and my water heater shows E1 and doesn't heat at all." In the shop, we know this usually points to an ignition failure. Basically, the unit tries to start but doesn't detect a flame, so it shuts off for safety, which is quite common in these systems. Curious? For example, many customers say, "You can hear it trying to start, but it never ignites." And that's when technicians check the gas supply. Even though it may seem obvious, sometimes the valve isn't fully open, there's air in the line, or the pressure isn't sufficient. As one technician explains, if the gas isn't flowing properly, the heater won't detect a flame and will trigger E1 immediately. Additionally, there are cases where gas is present, but the issue lies in the ignition system. Some customers say, "It clicks several times but doesn't start," which leads us to check the ignition electrode. In the shop, we clean it or replace it if it's worn out, because if the spark isn't strong enough, the gas simply won't ignite. On the other hand, we also see cases where the unit ignites briefly but then shuts off, and the error returns. Customers mention, "It turned on for a second and then shut off with E1, which is a clear sign that the flame sensor isn't properly detecting the flame. In those situations, the technician cleans or replaces the sensor so the system can correctly detect the flame and stop shutting down. Likewise, in some